Hello guys! In this video, I will show how to use Viber on multiple devices first. Make sure Viber is installed and set up on your main device, usually your phone, and that you are logged in with your phone number. Then, install Viber on your secondary device, whether it's a tablet, computer, or browser. When you open Viber there, you'll see a prompt to link it with your primary account. Confirm this option and a QR code will appear on your primary phone. Now, you'll see 3 dots. Simply click on them. At the top right corner, tap on Scanner and then just click on it. Once the code is scanned, you'll be asked if you want to sync your messages across both devices. This step is optional. You can choose to enable it or skip it depending on your preference. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.